I needed support from the reablement team because I had a stroke in May last year, and I was told in the hospital I'd never ever walk again. I was in hospital 6 months, and the reablement team started February this year. The help is I've learned how to walk, I learned how to stand on my own, I've learned how to wash myself without any help apart from the bottoms of my legs and my back. But other than that, it's been marvellous. The reablement team has given me the confidence to be able to cook. I'm only 49 and 50 this year, and I would like to go out get a job because I worked with children and I loved it. So I would like another job, but I got to have the reablement and the confidence to be able to get better, and then I could maybe look for a job.
The Reablement Service have given us confidence to be able to stand next to her while she's transferring and following behind her while she's doing her walking. It's given me and my brother loads of confidence because we weren't really sure what we were doing to begin with. The Reablement Services have had a big impact because we less stress now about Mum. When my brother's here as well, he knows what he's doing now. The Reablement Service has given us peace of mind about Mum, so we know she's safe wherever she's doing.
The reablement team matters to me because they give me the ability to be able to cook cakes, cook food, and put all the ingredients in there and now mix it in. I can put it into 2 separate things and the boys break it. The reablement services allowed me to find my confidence and my ability to carry on, like maybe walking, maybe washing. But that little bit is everything to one person, but it could be nothing to another person. So that's what reablement did for me.